Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the substituents and their positions on the benzene ring. From the structure, 4 substituents are present: F, top, Cl, right, Br, bottom, I, left. Going around the ring, the relative positions are F and Cl are adjacent, ortho, Cl and Br are adjacent, ortho, Br and I are adjacent, ortho, and I and F are separated by 1 carbon, para relationship with Cl. Moving on to the next step. Apply IUPAC numbering rules for polysubstituted benzenes. The ring must be numbered to give the substituents the lowest possible set of locants, and when there is a tie, alphabetical order of substituents determines the principal group to receive the lowest number. Moving on to the next step. Assign numbers based on alphabetical priority and lowest locant set. Alphabetically, bromo, chloro, fluoro, iodo. Assign C1 to chloro, Cl. Going in the direction that gives lower numbers to the other substituents, C1 is equal to Cl, C2 is equal to Br, adjacent, going one way, C3 is equal to I, adjacent to Br, and C5 is equal to F, to carbons from I, across the ring from Cl. This gives locant set 1, 2, 3, 5 for Cl, Br, I, F respectively. And for the final step, 2 bromo, 1 chloro, 5 fluoro, 3 iodobenzene. With C1 is equal to Cl, C2 is equal to Br, C3 is equal to I, C5 is equal to F, listed alphabetically, 2 bromo, 1 chloro, 5 fluoro, 3 iodobenzene. This matches option B exactly. Option A gives 1 bromo, 2 chloro, 3 fluoro, 6 iodo, locant set 1, 2, 3, 6, but F and Cl are not adjacent, they are para-like, so this arrangement is geometrically incorrect. Option C gives 4 bromo, 2 chloro, 5 iodo, 1 fluoro, locant set 1, 2, 4, 5, which is higher than 1, 2, 3, 5. Option D gives 2 bromo, 3 chloro, 1 iodo, 5 fluoro. Placing I at C1 violates alphabetical priority rule. Cl should get lower number than I. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.